Hi, I'm Grace with Garmin Product Support. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the band on your Garmin Forerunner 30 or Forerunner 35. You will need the Garmin watch and the band replacement kit. Start by turning the watch over and removing the screws that hold on the old band. Some bands that break close to the housing may leave small segments of band attached to the watch. Make sure to remove all parts of the old band before installing the new band. Now you're ready to install the new band. Use the new screws to install the new band. And that's it! You've installed the new bands on your Forerunner 35 or Forerunner 30. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to support.garmin.com.